Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you earphones from Meze 12. This is one of the things that many of you have asked me, what could I buy with great price and quality sound? So I think I have your answer, but let me try it first. We're gonna try it, gonna see it. Let's talk about the product that I'm bringing you today. This is the Meze 12 Classic. I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you want to buy it, you all know it, but first check the review, check the cons, the pros, and let's check and see if it's worth all this money. Yes, because if I'm not mistaken, it's about $79, so a higher price means you will have more quality. So what I'm gonna show you now is open the box and see the quality of this. One thing that you must know is that they implement here all the specs of the earphones, as you can see. Are thinking in buying, for example, an amplifier for using with these earphones. Maybe it doesn't make sense because they made this to use on mobile phones. I think you're gonna be spending more money if you are trying to buy an amplifier to increase some more quality in the frequencies. But anyhow, let's open the box and see what we've got inside. So as you can see, when we open the box, you are seeing quality. That's for sure. But now let's remove the earphones and test it out. We already removed the earphones. As you can see, you've got here the tips to change it if you want it. More tips here. And let's talk about, for example, the cable. If you are using these, that's the main purpose for these earphones, it's to use on mobile phones. So usually you need a really flexible cable to use it on your, for example, on pocket. So what you do, you just pick it in this and put it on your pocket, remove it, and you can see it's really flexible. It will not damage the cable, which is great because sometimes if this cable is not flexible, it can compromise the earphone. So one thing, it's positive. Other thing that I want to speak about is this quality build. I'm going to show you. As you can see here, this looks like wood. I think it's really wood. They've got the logo of the Meze here and the tip on the, but I mean the quality is really nice. Look at the connections of the cable. Looks a really quality product. I'm gonna test it out with my mobile phone. What I'm gonna do is listen FLAC music, which is supposedly to be 24 bits. I'm not sure because I think that YouTube really increased some compression on the music. I think Spotify has already a really high resolution for audio, which is mean it's audio without any compression. And on YouTube, even if you upload a video with a FLAC music at 24 bits, I think they will compress some of the music. But anyhow, let's listen some musics and check the results. I've tried several known musics that are already here in other earphones, and let's speak about the three stages. I'm gonna speak about the lows, mids, and highs. First, the lows. Lows is one of the things that I think that could be more immersive. I think that the lows are not so great. They are great, but for me, I will put some more bass on it, okay? The mids, you can, for example, split the mids in three stages too, like the mids high, mids medium, and mids lower. The mids at higher level are great, mids at standard level are great too, but the mids at the low level are not so great. They are good quality, but not so detailed, okay? It's one of the things that I miss too in this earphone. It's really small things, sometimes you will not notice. I know because I've tested already a lot of headphones, a lot of earphones. This is my opinion, okay? In the high levels, I didn't have any problems. I increased the maximum volume, as you can see on the mobile phone. I increased the maximum volume for many musics to check if the voice, for example, the high tones of the voice would not be so clear. I think sometimes there's some slightly distorts on the voice, but it's really a small distortion. You almost don't feel it. Now, let's resume the pros, the cons, and the price. One of the things that we always have to see is if the price range is correct for these earphones. For me, absolutely. If you pay $79 for these earphones, they will be awesome. The only thing that you must know is that for a price and quality, and I must say that, for example, you will have earphones that are completely different since they have wood, they have a warm image. I mean, they are great, they are really great. But let's speak about the rates that I would give to these earphones. In my personal opinion, okay, I would give a 7 in a rate of 10, okay? So they are really great, they are great quality, but there are some things that they are missing here. Anyhow, it's a really good product. As you know, I will leave the link in the description if you want to buy it. This is my video for today. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, activate the ring bell, and follow me here on Instagram. And as always, bye bye and see you soon.